So I think having a strong online presence is paramount at the moment. If you're not online, and like I said before, many great workshops out there have put little to no effort into their digital
You
footprint.
can't sell a secret.
No, exactly right. So I think that's something that we need to be focusing on. So our presence online, we need to have online booking solutions for our workshops. So having a website that was built 6 years ago that has a contact form is not an online booking solution. You need to be able to take the pain points out and make it easier and less work for both the customer and the workshop to be able to take bookings. So do we have rego search? Can we pick service intervals? Can we pick service dates? They're the things that we need to be providing for our customers because it helps us as well.